Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online classes. In one of my classes this morning, a student of mine started talking about the fact that last year her husband was laid off at work. He was made redundant by the company that he'd been working for many years. And after losing his job, he wasn't able to find another job. And so at the moment, he's still looking for work. And she has, by default, basically become the main breadwinner in the family, the person that makes the money, that supports the family. And because of this, she said she's working harder than she's ever worked before. She's not particularly happy about it, but someone's got to bring home the bacon. If you bring home the bacon, you earn the money for a family to live on. So you often hear people say things like, to be honest, I don't really like my job very much, but it brings home the bacon. So, yeah, when we had our first child, we basically had to put all of our travel plans on the back burner and simply bring home the bacon to provide for the little one. You might be thinking it's a bit weird that you can be the breadwinner, but you bring home the bacon. You're not the bacon winner and you don't bring home the bread. But, as one of my students said, you do need bread and bacon in order to make a bacon sandwich. And in case you're wondering, even if you're vegetarian like me or vegan, you still talk about bringing home the bacon. It doesn't mean real bacon. It just means the money to live on. You sometimes also hear the phrase used in politics to talk about kind of achieving success in one area where particularly you bring money back to your area. So you might hear things like, they love the local MP round here, as he always seems to bring home the bacon from Westminster. Or, she's often boasted of her ability to bring home the bacon for her constituents. Where here, it means to achieve success and bring funding and investment into a particular area if you're the Member of Parliament. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. Let's see how you might try to use bring home the bacon.